Hey everyone, I'm Whitney. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing something from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You guys like how I'm covering up my address? Y'all can't know where I live. Like I'm gonna have some stalker or something. I mean, actually, not to think highly of myself or anything, but there are some pretty psycho people out there, and I mean, it wouldn't be the first time that a crazy person has. Anyways, let's get to it. I just got a text from my BFF. Let's see what she said. I'm not gonna read it to you guys.
I texted her back but later realized I hadn't pressed send.
Anyways, I like to take a knife or whatever I have handy, tweezers, a pen, you know, just whatever does the trick. Oh, I should show you guys. It looks like I'm wearing tights, but I'm not. It's part of my leggings.
I got distracted.
They're actually really cool. Well, they're not really leggings. Well, they are, but they're like workout pants. Aren't these leggings so cool? Ew, except for when I do that. I love them. They're cute, but they're kind of hard to find something to wear with them. So this is actually my first package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. My first product from Jeffree Star was actually the Blue Blood palette, and that one I ordered from Beautylish. Oh, okay. Ooh. All right, you guys ready? You guys are kind of seeing it before me. All right, we'll go like this so we can both see. Tissue paper, pink, of course, Jeffree Star. All right, my invoice. You guys don't need to be seeing that. Ooh, that's cute. It has the Jeffree Star logo on it. All right, I'm getting too excited. Then there's this thingy, some sort of poster thing. Just a little advertisement thing for the Jawbreaker palette, or the Jawbreaker mini palette, I should say. As if we need another thing to persuade us to buy another eyeshadow palette, right? I'm kind of obsessed with eyeshadow palettes lately.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so this is cute. It's wrapped. That's cute. Oh, whoa. This is the Thirsty palette. You see those little popsicles on there? If you guys saw my unboxing of the Blue Blood palette, let me know if you think Jeffree Star Cosmetics has better packaging or you think Beautylish hit it out of the park. All right, so they're wrapped in, oh my gosh, it looked like I was talking and I was like, oh my gosh, no way I could have gotten that much spit all over it. Oh my gosh, this is like messes with your eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here, guys. Since you guys can tell which one this one is. It's the Alien palette from, I don't know, wasn't it? I'm gonna have to look this up. Okay, Google. What was the Alien collection from Jeffree Star?
Here you go.
She's showing me a bunch of videos again. I just want to know if it was like the Christmas collection. Was it? Holiday. Alien palette was the holiday collection. I feel like it's kind of weird. Well, I mean, I guess Jeffree Star is kind of different. But I feel like it's kind of weird to have a,
This is where I slowly begin becoming distracted. I was going to say that I thought it was strange to do a holiday collection that had an extraterrestrial theme.
Oh, you guys. This paper is shiny. It's got sparkles. Mommy! Sweet. I really don't want to ruin the paper. Yeah, you know, one side of my family was like, save the paper!
Save the paper.
Why? All right, so this has, ooh, the tissue paper, obviously, and then it has the bubble wrap. Oh, guys, it's pink. I just noticed that. Huh, cool. Unless they had to use, well, I'm pretty sure they had to use certain dyes to make it. So that could be actually bad for the environment. That could be uncool. Oh my gosh, I love popping these. I like to go. I try to save them though. So like, if I move or I need to, I don't know, I just like to wrap my glass things or things that might break, whatever. I wrapped my hand in it like my hand's gonna break.
Can you guys tell I have ADHD?
But I like to twist them. Oh my gosh. I like to go like. Why are these so fun?
2 days later.
Ordered her eyeshadow palettes and she's playing with the bubble wrap. I just can't stop. More bubble wrap.
I am fairly easy to impress.
I thought it was just one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized I had some ice cream setting out. Oops. Oh my god. This is cool. I think my husband's gonna like this one.
I meant that he'd think the packaging is pretty bomb, not the actual eyeshadows.
Ooh.
Packaging is super cool. This one was kind of weird because it looked like it had already been like opened or something. This one just has the Jeffree Star logo. What is it? Blood sugar palette. Oh, I'm so excited.
Of course you are.
Oh, this is odd. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What the heck? I feel like I may be freaking out a little bit, but you know, these palettes are expensive, so I expect them to be in tip-top shape. But look, do you guys see that? Oh, Whitney, stop nitpicking everything. And then this. What? No. I just have to open this real quick now just to see. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Anyways, I'll show you guys more on that later. But yeah, now it's empty, you guys. I really wish you'd put like free samples in. Oh, yes. I decided to order these off of Jeffree Star Cosmetics because he had a 30% off certain palettes for like 48 hours.
Shut up and take my money.
I ordered it August 2nd. Today is August 8th. I did get free shipping because I guess I had a certain dollar amount. I don't know. This package was shipped through the United States Postal Services. Nothing against them. I favor UPS. Maybe because I like those brown uniforms. I'm just kidding, guys. So weird. I mean, not that I have anything against the uniforms. I love a man in a uniform. Oh my gosh.
Haha, I make myself laugh.
They tell you exactly where your package is at, like all the time. Yeah, you know, they're like, okay, your package is going to be delivered by such and such time at such and such date by such and such driver. Your delivery person, his name's Jim. He's 6'2". He's got like cool brown skin tone and piercing green eyes with such and such truck with the license plate number, blah, 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 blah. And they tell you where they leave the package at. It doesn't go to that extent, but you guys get what I'm saying. Although I will say this, sometimes they're a little not that bright in the sense that they leave their packages, like they'll set them on the doorstep and then they'll take your rug and they'll put it over top of it. I mean, oh, thank God you did that because somebody could have seen that and could have totally stolen it. I think it's just to keep the package from getting wet or something. I don't know. You guys know, like they'd like go around your to your back and like go to the back door or whatever, try to leave it in inconspicuous areas, or if you've got a garage, they would like open that up, or you know, if you have a tree in your front yard, they'd climb up that and put it up in the tree, and you know, just crazy things like that. Just kidding, I never had a package left in a tree. It's really odd that I had to think about that for a second, but my life is, I guess, not the most normal. I'm not the most normal.
Really? I couldn't tell.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for the unboxing today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, be on the lookout for my next videos, which will probably include one of these palettes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some